Guys, Creepy Cat here, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing what is said to be the best gaming keyboard out there. If you didn't know, this is the normal Razer Huntsman. They were sold out of the Huntsman Elite, so yeah, I already think it's awesome that they do this. So you can already try it. So yeah, that's what it sounds like. Now let's actually open it. The thing is that they actually explain how it works here. Yeah. Now let's actually open this thing. It's easy. The tape just broke right away. Okay, this is it. This is it. This thing off. There. Okay, here it is. Oh yes, this is nice. Yeah, this thing is awesome. You can actually sort of see what's going on under here. What the optomechanical switches are just doing. The caps lock button actually makes quite a bit of noise. Yeah, the nice clickiness of this just makes it feel awesome. So of course I had to do that. It's also got the number pad. The number pad 0 is nice. Okay then. On most keyboards, the backspace button is pretty nice, pretty satisfying. On here it does sound a bit different. Yeah. Now let's see what it's like in RGB. Did I mention how awesome the spacebar is? Just like what it sounds. The awesome sound when it bottoms out. Yeah, this is so satisfying. Yeah, now let's actually see it in RGB. Weird about this is that it's got a green USB thing. Moment of truth. Oh wow. It doesn't do anything. Function. Oh. You can see if it's pressed down here. Pretty nice. It's annoying that you just can't change it. Yeah, this is awesome. Well anyways, I guess that concludes this video. So remember, if you liked it, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.